Hey there Titans, welcome to Form Titan Basics. In this video we will talk about the lookup element. So the lookup element enables you to search records in Salesforce and then do some actions with them. So for this example, what we will do, we'll search an account, and once we select an account, we'll bring in all of its contacts. So let's start. Let's add the lookup element. Drag it to the screen. Let's name it find an account. This guy over here, let's head over to the settings and let's take a look at the mapping. Set the mapping. We'll select an object, select the account. For now we're going to leave the conditions. We will revisit this in a moment. Apply, let's select some fields. So we need the account ID, so we can pull up the contacts afterwards, and the account name that will display in the search. So the account ID will be the value and the account name will be the text. We can give it a custom label. Let's apply this and let's drag in a table, Salesforce table. This will be first name of the contact. That will be last name. This will be, let's say, account name. And account number. Okay. Let's set the map the fields here. We'll add an object. We'll select the contact. Now here is the important part. First of all, we're going to select all, limit by 50. We're going to set the condition. So our condition is going to be that the contact's account ID equals our find an account, because find an account will return the account ID value. Let's apply this, map the fields. So first name will go to first name and last name, and this will be the account ID. We'll reference the account name and account number. So account ID, and we'll reference the account number. So apply. Save the form, publish, and see what we see. Okay, so let's just click this. Once you click it, it will give you everything you have in Salesforce, all the accounts in Salesforce. So let's, for example, choose this guy. It has one account, it has one contact, and now you can, for example, search like that, and it will search it. So let's select this one. This one has 7 contacts. And now let's revisit our conditions in the lookup. For example, let's say, click on the Configure Salesforce Integration. Let's set a condition. So let's say the account, we only want to search certain types of accounts. You can do anything, virtually anything with it. So let's head over to account type. Let's say it equals to other, and let's see what account types we have. Let's say we want customer channel. Let's start this over here. We'll apply. Save the form. So we should get about 1, 2, 3, 4 accounts. Let's refresh our form. And there we have it. Only the account with the type customer channel will be displayed. You can play with it as you like. You can add a hidden field over here and filter it by that. You can do virtually anything. And this is how it's done.